Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be studying chapter number 21 of your EVS textbook, and the name of the chapter is The World in My Home. We will read the chapter and look at the explanation of it. Let us start. The World in My Home. In this chapter, there are different short stories given about different people. Let us start with the first one, Tug of War. Once again, everybody in Mamta's family is quarreling over watching the TV, just like they do every day, that which program to watch. So, this story is about Mamta and her family. All the family members are quarreling over watching TV. એટલે બધા ઝઘડા કરતા છે કે કયું પ્રોગ્રામ ચાલશે ટીવી પર ને શું જોવાશે બધાથી. And this goes on every day in their house. Mamta's brother wants to watch a cricket match, while little Sejal is eager to watch her favorite program of songs. Mummy and Auntie are good friends, but their favorite TV programs are different. Mummy likes to watch the news, while Auntie enjoys a TV serial. Mamta's brother wants to watch the cricket match, and Sejal is eager to watch the favorite program of songs. Eager એટલે બહુ ઉત્સુકતા છે સેજલને એનો ફેવરેટ પ્રોગ્રામ જોવાની. Mummy and Auntie are best friends, but their choices are different. Mummy likes to watch news and Auntie likes to watch the TV serials. Mamta wants to watch cartoon and Daddy enjoys the football match. He says that he can watch TV only in the evening. Finally, everyone had to watch the football match. And Mamta herself wants to watch the cartoon. But Daddy wants to watch the football match. And then he says that every day I work and finally I get time in the evening only. So everybody has to watch the football match at the end. Daddy શું કહે કે તમે તો આખો દિવસ ઘરે હો, મને તો ખાલી સાંજનો ટીવી જોવાનો ચાન્સ મળે. સો ફાઇનલી બધા ફૂટબોલ મેચ જ જોવા બેસી જાય જે ડેડીને જોવી હોય તે. Why the difference? This is the second story. It is 7 o'clock in the evening. Pratibha is hurrying home from her friend's house. Her brothers Sandeep and Sanjay are busy playing around the corner with their friends. This is Pratibha's story and it is 7 o'clock in the evening. And she is hurrying home. એટલે જલ્દી જલ્દી ઘરે જવાની ટ્રાય કરે છે from her friend's house. Her brothers Sandeep and Sanjay, they are playing around the corner with their friends. એટલે સંદીપ ને સંજય busy છે બહુ રમવામાં. They are in no hurry to go home. Even if they are late, nobody will scold them. Then Pratibha says that they are in no hurry to go home. એટલે એ લોકોને તો કોઈ જલ્દી નથી ઘરે પૂગવાની. એ લોકો લેટ જશે તો પણ એ લોકોને તો ઘરે કોઈ ખીજવાવાનું નથી. Pratibha thinks that this is not fair. Why should there be one rule for her and another for her brothers? But what can she do? Then Pratibha thinks that this is not fair. કે આ વાત તો ખોટી છે કે મારા માટે રૂલ અલગ ને મારા ભાઈઓ માટે રૂલ અલગ કેમ? But at the end, what can she do about it? But એનાથી તો કંઈ થશે જ નહીં એ વાતમાં. સો એને પછી એમ જ જવા દીધી વાત. The next story is Meena Auntie. One day, Meena Auntie took Pintu and Pinky and their friends to the beach. They played in sand and water and then went for a ride on a giant wheel. After that, they ate bhelpuri and bought balloons. One day, Meena Auntie took Pintu and Pinky and their friends to the beach. This is a story about Meena Auntie and how she took children to the beach. All the children played in sand and water. They all went to a ride to the giant wheel. And after that, they ate bhelpuri and they bought balloons. Then everybody enjoyed some icy cold kulfi. When the kulfi seller asked for money, he made a mistake. He charged for 5 kulfis instead of 7. The children thought, hooray! We have saved money. But Meena Auntie paid the money for 7 kulfis to kulfi seller. Then everybody ate the kulfi and the kulfi seller he made a mistake. He took money for only 5 kulfis, but he had sold 7 kulfis. Then the children thought that we have saved money. કુલ્ફીવાલાએ 5 જ કુલ્ફીના પૈસા લીધા, એને વેચેલી તો 7 કુલ્ફીઝ. પછી બચ્ચાઓ ખુશ થઈ ગયા કે વાહ, આપણે તો પૈસા બચાવ્યા. બટ ધેન વોટ મીના આંટી ડીડ? She paid for all the 7 kulfis. This is a good act. We should not do an unfair act with any people. Meena auntie's act on that day will always be remembered by the children. When Meena auntie paid for the 7 kulfis, this created an impact on the children that we should never do anything unfair with any person. આ સારી વસ્તુ શીખવી મીના આંટીએ બચ્ચાઓને કે આપણે કોઈ બી દિવસ લુચ્ચાઈ નહીં કરવાની કોઈની સાથે પણ. Now the next story is What Should I Do? This story is about Akshay and his grandmother. Akshay loves his grandmother very much. His grandmother also loves him dearly. She is very particular about cleanliness. Akshay and his grandmother, they both love each other a lot. And Akshay's grandmother also likes cleanliness. She wants everything to be clean. એમને બધું સાફ સુથરું જોઈએ. Anil is Akshay's friend. His grandmother likes Anil too. But one thing that she tells Akshay again and again is that he should never eat or drink anything at Anil's house because frequently someone or the other at his house is sick. Akshay's friend's name is Anil. And grandmother likes Anil too. But she always tells one thing to Akshay that he should never eat or drink anything at Anil's house. કંઈ પણ ખાવું કે પીવું નહીં અનિલના ઘરે એવું અક્ષયની ગ્રાન્ડમધર હંમેશા એને કહે. Because there is someone or the other sick at his house always. કોઈને કોઈ હંમેશા માંદું હોય જોઈએ અનિલના ઘરે. One day, there was a volleyball match in the big ground near Anil's house. It was a hot day and everybody was tired and thirsty after the match. Then one day, there was a volleyball match near Anil's house. It was a very hot day and everyone was tired and thirsty. બધા થાકી ગયેલા હતા અને તરસ્યા હતા. Anil invited everybody to his home. Anil's mother gave water to all of them and they drank it. Anil invited everybody to his home. Anile કીધું ચાલો બધા મારા ઘરે. Then Anil's mother gave water to everyone. When Anil handed Akshay a glass of water, he suddenly remembered his grandmother's warning. Akshay stared at Anil, not knowing what to do. Then, when Anil gave a glass of water to Akshay, he remembered what his grandmother had told him. શું કીધું હતું ગ્રાન્ડમધરે? કે અનિલના ઘરે કંઈ પણ ખાવું કે પીવું નહીં. Then Akshay was in a confusion કે હવે હું શું કરું? પાણી પીઉં કે નહીં પીઉં? And the story ends there. A question mark રહી ગયો. Then the next story is Who Will Decide? Karsan comes from a large family. His elder uncle looks after the family, their fields, money matters, etc. He decides about all the small and the big things for the family. Now this is a story of Karsan. He lives in a large family and his elder uncle looks after the family matters, their fields, money matters and everything else. He also takes all the small and the big decisions for the family. બધું ઘરનું, ફિલ્ડ્સ, પૈસાનું કામ, નાના મોટા ડિસિશન્સ ઘરના બધા એલ્ડર અંકલ જ લે. એલ્ડર અંકલ મીન્સ father's big brother. Till now, Karsan was worked in the field, but now he wants to do something different. He would like to borrow some money from a bank and buy a chakki, flour grinder, machine to grind grain. Till now, Karsan has worked in the field only, but now he wants to do something different. એને કંઈ નવું કરવું છે. He wants to borrow some money from the bank and buy a chakki. બેંક પાસેથી પૈસા ઉધાર લઈને એને એક ચક્કી ખરીદવી છે. આટાની ચક્કી આવે ને એ. To grind grains. There is no such machine in their village. Carson is confident that this new work will help him to earn more money for the family. Father has agreed to let him try the new work, but his elder uncle is not agreeing to this. Carson says that there is no such machine in his village and he is very confident. એટલે એને ભરોસો છે કે આ નવું કામ એ સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે તો એનાથી એ બહુ પૈસા કમાશે એના ફેમિલી માટે. And Carson's father has agreed to this new work, but his elder uncle is not agreeing. Father તો માની ગયા છે એના નવું કામ સ્ટાર્ટ કરવા માટે, પણ એલ્ડર અંકલ નથી માનતા હજુ સુધી. Now the last story is I Don't Like It. Meena and Ritu were going home after playing Langdi. Come on, come to my house, pleaded Meena, pulling Ritu's hand. Is your uncle at home? If he is, I will not come, Ritu answered. Meena and Ritu are friends and they were going home after playing Langdi. Meena said, come on, come to my house, by pulling Ritu's hand. મીનાએ કીધું રિતુને કે ચાલ મારા ઘરે. Then Ritu says, is your uncle at home? If he is, I will not come. રિતુએ કીધું કે તારા અંકલ ઘરે છે, અગર એ હશે તો હું નહીં આવીશ તારા ઘરે. But why do you say that? Uncle likes you. He was saying, bring your friend Ritu at home and I will give both of you lots of chocolates. Then Meena asks, why do you say like this? Uncle likes you and he was telling me, bring your friend at home and I will give chocolates to both of you. Ritu pulled her hand away from Meena, saying that I am scared of your uncle. I do not like it when he even touches my hand. Saying this, Ritu went home. Then Ritu suddenly pulled her hand away from Meena and she said that I am scared of your uncle. And I do not like it when he touches me. Saying this, Ritu went home. પછી ઋતુએ એનો હાથ ખેંચી લીધો. એને કીધું કે મને તારા અંકલથી ડર લાગે છે ને મને નથી ગમતું એ મને ટચ કરે છે તે. Saying this, Ritu went home. ને એવું બોલીને એ પછી એના ઘરે ચાલી ગઈ. And the story ends here. I hope all of you have understood all the 6 stories which we have learned in this chapter. They are very simple and easy. Thank you. Goodbye.